Hey everybody, it's your best friend Kenny here with a certainly spooky, disturbing story. If you like stories about spooky, disturbing things, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and share it. Share it around to your group chat. Just text it to your group chat. Tell everyone to look at it. It'd help me out a lot. I would appreciate it. I'm here to quickly talk about the Diddy news, the indictment and arrest of Sean Diddy Combs. This is certainly probably some of the biggest news of the year and biggest news in a long time. And it really doesn't surprise a lot of people because Diddy has been involved in a lot of things that have been sort of open secrets and not even really secrets. You know, everybody knew that Diddy blew up Kid Cudi's car. And at least before this week, had faced no consequences for it. There has also been rumors about Diddy being involved in the murder of Tupac. Diddy has, for 3+ decades, been living in a life of lawlessness, and it appears it has finally caught up to him. Diddy is facing a federal indictment with charges that could possibly land him in prison for the rest of his life. Generally, when the feds come and arrest you and the federal government is the one charging you, that is not a good position to be in. The federal government is very successful and generally do not indict people who they do not have a high likelihood of successfully prosecuting. This particular office, the Southern District of New York, is probably the best, best USA attorney office in the country with some of the highest conviction rates, some of the best attorneys. It's the premier office. So Diddy is not in a very good place right now. Diddy is also, as of the recording of this video, been denied bond. So he is currently sitting in jail. He's actually been denied bond twice. They're not going to let him out of jail because of concerns of witness tampering. The charges are damning. See? Sex trafficking and interstate transportation for prostitution, as well as arson for blowing up Kid Cudi's car. The indictment alleges that he used his power and influence to coerce and abuse victims for his own sexual gratification, which is something that a lot of powerful men do. Prosecutors point to what they term a pattern of abuse that spans from at least 2008 to present. They describe a network of individuals and businesses allegedly involved in these criminal activities. And I think it's sort of important to note that while the indictment says 2008, they can always file a superseding indictment, and there might be more charges coming. In fact, I would bet that there are more charges coming. The indictment includes shocking details like Diddy allegedly forcing victims to participate in what were termed as freak-offs, long sex sessions, claims that he assaulted people who tried to escape, used threats and violence to coerce people. One thing that was going around on Twitter was the 1,000 bottles of lube and baby oil that were confiscated. A conviction here, if Diddy is convicted, he will likely spend the rest of his life in prison. I will be continuing to cover this developing story, provide updates as more information comes out. As always, the justice system, everyone is innocent until proven guilty, which is important to remember. But these are very serious, specific allegations. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe, go ahead and follow me on Twitter and TikTok. My username is AKBruce or X. I don't know. I feel so weird calling it X. If there is a spooky, disturbing story that you would like me to cover, go ahead and send me an email at thespookylawyer@gmail.com. And remember, stay spooky.